Welcome to our free premium signals service. Trade and enjoy trading results quick.
How to trade on our analysis. Try to take trades in trend market. Most profitable way is to trade on mentioned levels and day trading range levels that give you instant profit.
Now take a look at the GBPUSD currency pair. As the GBPUSD currency pair, if we draw the Fibonacci retracement on the latest wave from that point to that, our first target at 1.1443 level is almost complete. Now what happened for next? As the market is previously trading and breaking outside this trend channel, and you can say after making the double top pattern and breaking the trend channel and breaking the, you can say, support level, we are continuously suggesting that the trend is bearish and our first target is at 1.1760 and next is that. So market almost complete. So how the market make the trend change? Let's see. This is the, you can say, previous resistance level from where the market reject and go in the selling direction toward that. So I suggest that if any H4 candle close today above the 1.1560 H4 candle and there is a confirmation candle after that holding the market above that area, the level discussed, then obviously our first target is 1.1700. So on the other hand, if the market fail again to hold above the 1.1560 level, then obviously again in the bearish direction toward the 1.1380 level. Now take a look at the EURUSD currency pair. As all of you have noticed that EURUSD currency pair is continuously moving in the selling direction after cannot, you can say, break the 1.0360 level and holding below this EMA. We are continuously suggesting that the, you can say, EURUSD currency pair is bearish. And what happened for today, that is 6th of September, that how the market move in today. So the overall trend is bearish, that you guys notice that market is trading below this and that bearish flag pattern. So until the holding below that bearish flag pattern and the, you can say, 1.00 level, the trend is bearish. Once the market intersect this EMA and close the H4 candle and daily candle above that area, then you can say the trend is bullish and our first target is 1.0110 level. So this is almost 100 pip above the 1.00 level. So obviously I suggest that the scalping entry is valid from this 1.00 level as the sell opportunity. On the other hand, if holding below this EMA and holding below this bearish flag pattern, then obviously our next target according to the you can say Fibonacci retracement, that our next target must be at a 0.9723 level. So let's see how the you can say market react today. So this is early morning session, obviously at you can say start of European session there is a you can say valid entry for today. Now discuss the USDJPY currency pair. As all of you guys noticed that in the previous session we discussed that until the market is holding above the 137.60 level and holding above this moving average 50 exponential. Moving average 50 exponential is continuously pushing the price in the upside direction, and if you draw the Fibonacci retracement from that to that point, your first target take profit 1 is almost achieved at 137.60 and your next target is 141.10. So this is now there is a chance that market is continuously showing this H4 behavior and chance is that it will go in the selling direction because these are the small candles but maybe the market extreme bullish and penetrate the 141 point, you can say 10 level, then make a pin bar almost happen in the, you can say, extreme bullish trend for reversal direction. So I suggest that overall the trend is bullish unless holding above the 131.40 level. So how we take the 139.40 level, as you shrink the chart, that this is the, you can say, broken level, or at in the previous, you can say, trading scenarios. So market holding above the 139.40 level is, you can say, bullish, and if the market today break that level, then obviously market make a you can say bullish move after the bearish correction, because there are two scenarios of reversal. One is head and shoulder pattern, second is double top pattern, and other thing is maybe the, you can say, pin bar or strong wick candle that penetrate the resistance level, and then market go again below the resistance level. Then the market will, I will prefer that 141.10 is the sell entry. If you take now the sell entry in the, you can say, USDJPY currency pair, then obviously first take the small entry, then next entry may be in the double size. So hopefully you guys understand that how the market react today. 139.40 is the almost the scalping buy entry, and 141.10 is best, you can say, sell entry. So hopefully you guys understand USDJPY currency pair trading. Now take a look at the gold market. As all of you guys notice that gold market is trading on the daily chart double bottom pattern. Now what happened for today, as market is holding above the 1706 level. I suggest that until the market is holding above the 1690 level, and you can say how the 1690 level, this is the, you can say, broken H4 trend line, and market is hovering outside this, you can say, trend line and testing the support level. Now market have ability today to go toward the 1727 level unless holding above the 1690. So overall the trend is bullish, and market can show some bullish strong move toward the 1727 as the first target. Otherwise breaking the 1690 level will push the price toward the 1680 and 1650 level as the next target. So overall you can say there is a clean chances that you can say 1727 is first target for today, you can say, unless holding above the 1706 level. So yesterday I also suggested that buying opportunity is valid. So market cannot show any bullish move. If the gold market go in the upside direction, then obviously EURUSD break above the resistance level, and GBPUSD is also, because there are a lot of buyers interested in the market. So hopefully you guys understand the gold market scenario. Buyers are hungry in the crude oil market for long-term profit, as the crude oil market did not show any strong move. But overall, if you look at the H4 candle, H4, you can see chart, this is the trend line, and market is still hovering below that area, and EMA 50 is continuously pushing the price in the selling direction, and market cannot show any confirmation candle above that area. So overall, until holding above the, you can say, 88.00 level, I suggest the buying entry is valid, because you can say this is approximately the support area 87, and market shows very strong support at that level. Overall you can say this is also the bearish flag pattern may be formed, and market is showing maybe go in the selling direction, but I suggest today that until holding above the, you can say, 88.00 level, the trend is bullish, and if the market touches the 88.00 level, you can take the buying entry, or and our first target is at you can say 92 level. Once the market clear and close H4 candle above the 89, you can say, this trend line, then obviously next target is 92.40 and further 94.6. So the market still cannot give the long-term buyer as a good confirmation entry, but today there is a chance that it will go above the, you can see, level, and the valid entry is from 88.00. Overall, we are suggesting the bullish trend unless holding above the 86, or you can say 87 level. So hopefully you guys understand the crude oil market analysis. Levels are in front of you, 88.00, 87, and the next is 91.20 for today. So the trend is bullish for today in the crude oil market, and subscribe to our channel for continuous updates.